Here are three major benefits of building business credit. Large credit capacity. Businesses have 10 to 100 times greater credit capacity compared to personal credit. As a creditworthy business, your company will be in a position to qualify for financing based on factors strictly related to the business. Without building business credit, you will have to continually rely on your own personal credit. Increased company value. A creditworthy business has a powerful advantage in financing ability. Because this asset is fully transferable with the business, it makes it very attractive for a potential buyer or investor. Protect personal credit. A business owner will be able to limit, if not eliminate, the use of personal credit checks since the company has its own credit ratings. This prevents a business owner from having to commingle personal credit, personal debts, and personal assets with his company. Building business credit truly provides remarkable benefits for a business and gives unique financial advantages in the marketplace. With this asset, a business can secure lines of credit, lease equipment, finance a company vehicle, and obtain business loans and credit cards without putting personal credit at risk. This is the perfect time to take advantage in this changing economy. My name is Michael Greenspan. I'm a financial consultant and freelance writer. I wrote a step-by-step blueprint on how to build business credit, a complete do-it-yourself. Copy the link above or below, start applying.